jumping into the market here, we have green day, solid green day all over. It's virtually just it's good. It's good if you're in the long game. It's very good. Ethereum is making a absolute huge move with the Ethereum 2.0 news. We've got Bitcoin settling down a little bit here around that 15.5 area. Probably a little bit of money coming into Tether here. As you can see, even Tether's up a little bit over the last 24 hours. XRP had a massive boom. Chainlink's powering again, so hopefully Chainlink can put in a big move to the upside, break out of its channel, which it already virtually has broken out of its channel, and keep on moving to the up. Maybe we can see all-time highs, which we definitely will. Within time, we'll see all-time highs, but virtually everything is in green, and then against BTC, because BTC's staying still at the moment, trading sideways. It's powering, absolutely firing, as you can see here against BTC. Let's have a quick look. What do we got here? YFI, 65%. YFII, 44. Sol, 43. Poly, 41. Band is powering. 33. Alpha is going good. Hot, not want to worry about that. AXS, 29, and so on and so forth. It's just the bottom has been in, as we've talked about over the last few days, and we're starting to get some really good gains. Now, there's going to be pullbacks, of course, and Bitcoin's going to pull back, and all these alts are definitely going to pull back to a point, but BTC has done 200% odd since March, but look at this, like YFI, 57% in one day. It's out of control. This whole thing is out of control right now. So probably what you're looking for here with the altcoins at the moment, while there's still some red hot coins going on, you're looking for the ones that haven't really moved so far, and maybe looking at some good charts there and finding the setup and entering into the ones that haven't really taken off, like exploded. Having said that, everything is kind of going well. So look for good coins. Um, look for good coins, and like Tezos, for instance, it's only 7% up, and it's a big coin. So yeah, and some of the smaller caps will still pump. So it's just going to be like a little cycle here. Everything's going to pump. Everything's going to pump as long as Bitcoin plays the game and keeps on trading sideways and dominance comes down. Then we'll be in for a little mini alt season, I think. As we can see here, Bitcoin is in this kind of bull flaggy looking thing, and we come down here, a couple of touches there, and definitely a couple of touches along the bottom. So we're kind of in here. We have support here, this dynamic support of the 50, holding up. We've got the 200. We're on the 1 hourly here, so we're pretty well zoomed in, and you can also see that we have in this channel here just ranging, so it's ranging quite nicely. It's drawing a pretty good bull flag up here, down, up, down, up, down. Good spike to the bottom there and board up, and then touch the trend line again, come back down. So it might get squeezed up here by that 50. We'll see what happens. While it's doing this and trending lower, we can see that the dominance has started to come down a little bit. We're on the 4 hourly of the dominance. Oh, this is the altcoin market cap. So you can see here over the last day, it's just gone powered up and absolutely just caught on fire. And then you can see Bitcoin dominance here has kind of started to drop out. So we've hit resistance, and started to come back. So we're on the daily here. We can probably come back to the 4 hourly and see it a little bit better. So it's started to pull back, and with it pulling back, we've had huge runs on the altcoins. Ethereum 2.0 is coming, and that is good positive news for Ethereum and all the altcoins, as when Ethereum's running, everything else will run with it as well. So it's very good news for Ethereum. Now we're going to have a few pullbacks when you have these crazy parabolic rise like that. That's pretty nuts. We're on the hourly, as you can see here. We were talking yesterday about this, and then bang, 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 bang. This 420 mark hasn't been retouched again, so I'd be happy if this come back down and then we continued higher. That wouldn't be too bad at all. For Ethereum's probably not a bad spot to jump in, retest. You could also retest this area here around the 440 because that's a fair way back to the 420 now. It would have to come back good 8%. Can happen. It's crypto, definitely. So this is the reason for the pump. Vitalik has put in 3,200 ETH to Ethereum 2.0. So you need 32 Ethereum to stake on 2.0, and that's what's going to just drive it up. That's just going to drive the price up because everyone is trying to stake 32, and it's a fair bit to have with these the way it's going right now at 450 bucks US. So it's a fair bit, and it's just going to keep on driving the price up. So Moon Edition for Ethereum. You can see here Ethereum's also got Ethereum Trust hits $1 billion in assets under management, which is a pretty big thing for Ethereum and Grayscale. We'll come across as well to the crypto fear and greed. Greedy, extreme greed. Watch this because it's good to counter trade this. So when extreme greed is happening, got to send it the other way. It's got to come back here one time and touch the fearful again. So watch that, counter trade. All right, if you like what I'm doing and what I've got for you, give me a like and a comment and a subscription. Thanks.